Cinnamon is far more than just a beloved culinary spice used to flavor morning oats, seasonal lattes, and baked goods. It is a complex, historically significant botanical product loaded with powerful bioactive compounds that have been revered in traditional herbal practices for millennia. Today, rigorous modern scientific research continues to validate what ancient apothecaries suspected. Cinnamon is a potent natural medicine with profound effects on human metabolism, cardiovascular health, systemic inflammation, and even neurological preservation. To truly understand the comprehensive health benefits of cinnamon, it is essential to explore its molecular composition. The distinct aroma and flavor of cinnamon are primarily derived from an essential oil found in the bark of the cinnamomum tree, specifically a compound known as cinnamaldehyde. This active ingredient is responsible for not only the spice's signature scent, but also the vast majority of its powerful effects on human health and metabolism. Alongside cinnamaldehyde, cinnamon is densely packed with a variety of polyphenol. Polyphenols are a broad category of plant-based micronutrients that naturally possess immense antioxidant properties, operating at the cellular level to maintain physiological balance. The power of antioxidants. The human body is constantly undergoing complex metabolic processes that naturally produce free radicals as byproducts. When these unstable molecules accumulate in the body, they cause a state known as oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is fundamentally linked to the aging process and the development of nearly every chronic condition, including cancer, neurological decline, and cardiovascular disease. The polyphenol found in cinnamon act as formidable electron donors, neutralizing these free radicals and preventing cellular damage before it can propagate through the body's tissues. In fact, when researchers have conducted comparative analyses of the antioxidant activity of various spices, cinnamon consistently ranks at the very top of the list. In a study comparing the antioxidant activity of 26 different spices, cinnamon emerged as the clear winner, even significantly outperforming well-known, highly touted superfoods like garlic and oregano. Blood sugar and insulin regulation. Beyond its broad cellular protection, perhaps the most highly researched and celebrated health benefit of cinnamon is its profound ability to manage blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin is the master hormone responsible for regulating metabolism and energy use. It acts as the chemical key that allows blood sugar, glucose, to enter cells where it can be utilized for fuel. However, in populations consuming modern diets high in processed carbohydrates, many individuals develop insulin resistance, meaning their cells no longer respond efficiently to insulin signals. This forces the pancreas to pump out ever-increasing amounts of insulin, eventually leading to elevated blood sugar levels and, ultimately, type 2 diabetes. Systemic anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is another critical biological process where cinnamon proves highly beneficial. The unassuming spice sitting in your pantry is a true metabolic powerhouse. Through its incredibly high concentration of cinnamaldehyde and diverse polyphenol, cinnamon offers a multi-pronged approach to maintaining overall health. It operates at the microscopic cellular level to quench free radicals and stop oxidative stress. It works in the digestive tract and at the insulin receptor sites to dramatically improve carbohydrate metabolism and keep blood sugar levels stable. It naturally soothes systemic inflammation, protecting the heart and blood vessels from chronic disease. By simply choosing the right variety and incorporating it regularly into your daily diet, you can easily harness these profound, scientifically backed benefits. While acute inflammation is a necessary and healthy response that helps the body fight infections and repair damaged tissue, chronic inflammation is deeply insidious. Systemic, low-grade inflammation is now recognized as a root driver of many severe health conditions, including metabolic syndrome, autoimmune disorders, and heart disease. The unassuming spice sitting in your pantry is a true metabolic powerhouse. Through its incredibly high concentration of cinnamaldehyde and diverse polyphenol, cinnamon offers a multi-pronged approach to maintaining overall health. It operates at the microscopic